Hi everybody, I'm from Hitachi Data Systems. My name is Dylan Langer, and today I'm going to give you a quick VSAN demo on our Hitachi UCP HC-V240F. So this is our VSAN option, one of our VSAN options. This is what our portfolio looks like at the moment. Keep a lookout for new developments, but today we have two different form factors. We've got a V240, which is our 2U4 node in hybrid and all flash, and then we've got a V210, which is a 2U single node, giving you more capacity again in a 2U form factor, but which is the single node. Today we're going to look at our V240F, which is our all flash option. So with the all flash and VSAN 6.2, there's a couple of interesting features that we're going to take a look at around data reduction and erasure coding. And we're just going to demo one of the quality of service features that are also new to VSAN in 6.2. So with that, let's jump right into the lab. So here we have my lab environment. I have a single cluster. I have 4 node members joined to this cluster. And these are actually comprised of 4 nodes from our 2U 4 node rack optimized platform. And if you have a look under Manage, I already have VSAN enabled, so it's really easy to enable. You check the box, select the disks, either manually or let VMware select them for you automatically. You have some options here to enable dedupe and compression. This is a data reduction technique available only for the all-flash option with the advanced or enterprise license. And click on OK, and you are good to go. So this provides for you VSAN comprised of the disks which are currently in my environment brought forth from a disk group. You can have one or more disk groups, but the disk groups would need a caching tier as well as a capacity tier. So you need at least one SSD disk as a minimum, and one additional disk in your VSAN environment. For all flash, obviously they all need to be at least SSD, but you could have NVMe, even higher performance capability in your caching tier as well. So I have 4 nodes. Each node has 5 of these 800 gig SSD disks, and if we click on related objects, you can see this provides to us about 14 terabytes of capacity. So let's have a look at VSAN and the storage policies that are provided by VSAN. So if we have a look back at your home screen, you click on VM storage policies. This shows you your little library of storage policies available to be applied. And what I have in my demo is a space efficiency 500 IOPS policy. So this policy is using a erasure coding technique as well as a IOPS limitation of 500. And I have the same erasure coding in my standard space efficiency policy, but with the difference being I don't have the 500 IOPS limitation defined on this policy. So let's see how this actually works. So at the moment, if I run IO meter on IO worker 2, and we have a look at our IOPS, we are getting around 40,000 on that virtual machine. And as you can see, around 50,000 on my second one. So let's go back to the virtual machines in question. I've got IO worker 2. If I right click on this, click on VM policies, edit storage policies. There's my space efficiency policy. Drop down that list. Switch across. As you notice, this is only the 500 gig, which is the D drive of the machine. Click on OK, go back to the IO worker itself, and just have a look how quickly this applies. This is applying, as you can see, only to my disk target, my D drive, which is this 500 gig disk over here. So you have this level of granularity. It's quite powerful. It's really quick. And that's just one example of one of the rule sets that you can make use of. So that was our VSAN demo on our Hitachi UCP HC-V240F, the all-flash option again. Again, my name is Dylan Langer, and I hope you enjoyed it, but look out for more future demonstrations that we'll be launching, and get in touch with your local Hitachi representative or reach out to us at our HDS community webpage. Let us know what you think. Have a nice day.